What a nice hotel. There's a sunny beach near here. A beautiful sea view from the window. There are tidy rooms and cozy sofas. There's a nice park next to the hotel. The hotel isn't expensive at all. It is exactly where Denise and his family want to spend their holiday. They are going to book tickets. Let's hear how they do it. I think this knowledge might be useful to us. Fine Hotel, good morning. How can I help you? Good morning. I'd like to book a room, please, from Saturday the 6th to Friday the 19th. Which month do you mean? Oh, sorry, this August. Certainly, sir. Would you like a single room, a double, or a triple? Triple, please, with a bathroom. One moment, please. Yes, we have a room available. Oh, good. And how much is it per night? £85 with breakfast. That's fine. Could I have your name, sir? Yes, of course. It's Lomov. L-O-M-O-V. Thank you, Mr. Lomov. That's a triple room from Saturday the 6th to Friday the 19th. You can check in any time after 12 noon. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mr. Lomov. There are 3 people in Denise's family. How many members are there in yours? 4 or 5? You can ask for an extra bed, so you don't need to book 2 different rooms. Be attentive. Children under the age of 12 don't get a bed in some hotels. That's why you should always be clear and ask for an extra bed for your little brother or sister. Denise is really excited about the trip. Visiting new places is terrific. When you go abroad, you might use a foreign language. Let's learn some phrases that will help us book the best hotel room. I'd like to book a room, please. Would you like a single room, a double, or a triple? How much is it per night? You can check in any time after 12 noon. You might also ask the receptionist these questions. How many days is the reservation for? What does the price include? Can I have an extra bed? What time should I check out? Does the hotel offer a transfer service from the airport, and how much does it cost?